Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning how to frame questions or create Boolean expressions. In today's class we will learn about logical operators. In real life, you will come across situations where you have more than one questions or decisions and your final answer depends on the answer of individual questions. Let's take an example. Suppose the temperature outside is 50 degree Fahrenheit and it is sunny. And your parents tell you that you will go and play outside only when temperature is 50 or more and sunny. Will you play outside today? Answer is yes, because you will play outside only when temperature is more than 50 and let's say today is 60 degree and today is also sunny. So both these conditions are true and that means yes, you will be going and playing outside. But take a scenario when today is rainy but temperature is more than 60 degree Fahrenheit. What will you do? You will not go and play because your parent says only if temperature is more than 50 and sunny. Look at the part and. That means both conditions, temperature is more than 50 and sunny, then only you will go and play outside. But today is not sunny. However, temperature is more than 50. Today is 60 degree Fahrenheit. But you will still not go and play outside. What really happened here is there are two questions and your final answer depends on the individual questions and also how those two questions are connected, and they are connected using AND in this case. How do we translate this into Java? How do we give this type of instructions to Java? We use what we call it logical connectors or logical operators. There are three types of logical operators in Java. First two are used, the first one is used for AND actually it is 2 ampersand. Then second one is OR, which is 2 pipe. And third one is exclamation, which is for not. And we'll look into one by one. Let's say when we say, let's take our example. Temperature is more than 50 and sunny. So we will create two expressions, individual. We'll first write temperature greater than 50, assuming temperature is a variable. Then we write sunny equal to true. And as again, sunny is a variable name. It can be anything. It can be X and Y or whatever. But I prefer and recommend to use a meaningful name. Now, first, once we write two expressions, we need to understand what should be the connector. How do we connect these two expressions? And the answer is AND, which is 2 ampersand in Java, and that is what we are using it here. If in another scenario, assume that the connector was OR, then in that case, you will say 2 pipes here. These two ampersand and 2 pipes AND and OR are used to connect two Boolean expressions. The final answer of this Boolean expression is still this. Overall, this is still a Boolean expression. This is going to be a true, suppose. Then you will have another true here, the result of this, and both are connected by AND. And we will learn what happens when you have two expressions, both are returning true, and they're connected by AND. What happens? What is the final result? We'll learn more about it. But for now, I want to stop here and tell you that there are three logical operators. Don't get confused with Boolean operators. Boolean operators are greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and all that part, or double equal to. Logical operators are 2 ampersand, 2 pipes, and negation, negative, what we call it not. Where do we use not? We can also say that, suppose I write an expression and I say sunny equal to true. I can negate at the end like this. I can say whatever is the result, reverse it, flip it. So today's sunny, and answer is yes. So today's sunny, yes. So this whole thing will return as true. But then because of this not, this will become, final answer will become false. It is in a negative sense, do not do this. So you can flip that answer, and we will also show you in later classes how do we use and when do we use the not symbol. But that's all in today's class. Go ahead and practice. I have created some questions in the quiz for you to validate your understanding, so that you have a good foundation for the next classes. So definitely practice. As I say, practice is the only way to learn coding. So practice, practice, and practice. Thank you again.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.